Hi, my name is Juan Sebastián Delgado Martinez. Next, I will present exercise 1. Good. And according to the formulas for each criterion, in this case, we will use the form costs. And good. One criterion, Laplace criterion. We have the payoff matrix. We summed each row of the alternatives and divided in by the four stages of Naturev. After calculating the maximum payoff, we take the minimum value when it is a Koch matrix. 2. Wild pessimistic criterion. Given the payoff matrix, the maximum value of each alternative row is taken, and from the results, the minimum payoff value corresponding to the Koch matrix is selected using the minimax criterion. 3. Optimist criterion. From the Koch compensation matrix, the the minimum value for each of the alternatives is selected, and the minimum value is selected based on the results obtained. Fourth, Hurwitz criterion. And Hurwitz criterion, we have a payoff matrix for the Koch matrix where we look for the best of the worst conditionals. Here we operate by an assigned value for alpha, and after the operation the minimum value is selected. 5. Savage criterion. We have a cost reward matrix. A new matrix is created. We taking the minimum values. Uh, for the maximum values, we subtract the maximum values. We subtract the minimum values for the rewards in each column, minimum values and each column maximum values. Finally, the minimax criterion applied to the new matrix. Thank you.